Hi, I'm Allison, and in this video I'm going to show you the Cooling Gel Memory Foam Pillow by Nestle. This is a reversible pillow that's very versatile and comfortable, so I will show you how to set it up and go over some of the details. As you can see, it comes in this plastic covering, so just go ahead and open it up and watch it expand. As you can see, it's quite long, so after it comes out of the package, just go ahead and spruce it up a little bit like this. And over the next few hours, it will continue to expand and get fluffier. Now, the materials used in this pillow diffuse cool air, and also they regulate heat from your head, so that way the gel part does not get too hot. It actually stays really cool the whole night. As you can see, this is a double-sided pillow, and so this side contains a soft silk cooling material, and this side is a bamboo rayon, and whichever side you use kind of depends on your own personal preference. They're both quite different, but they both have their own unique benefits. Now, one of the things I really love about this pillow is that it's super adjustable, and so you saw earlier how I was able to fluff it up straight out of the package. But the really cool thing is you can actually access the stuffing. So with normal pillows, you can't really get inside. What you buy is what you get, and you can't adjust it to your preference. But with this, you can actually have access to the filling. So just open it up, and as you can see, the filling can be removed, or you can add more if you desire. This pillow is completely customizable, which is important because we all have our own unique sleep preferences for the bed, and it's hard to find two people who completely agree on that. So you can actually adjust the size, you can adjust the height and the width. You can make this fit in a smaller pillowcase, just take out stuffing and fold it over. So that's another thing that I really love about this product. Nestle actually has 4 different sizes of this pillow, so depending on your bed or your pillowcases, whatever the case may be, you can order a size that fits your unique preferences. Again, this is completely customizable. Nestle does their best to offer solutions that suit literally everybody, so no matter what your unique preferences are, I guarantee that there's a pillow out there for you. I'm just feeling it right now. This is so soft. If you want to zoom in, you can see the quality of this fabric. As you can see, it's padded. It's so soft. Now, earlier you saw me unzip the pillowcase, and I showed you how you could access the filling. But another really cool feature is that this is machine washable. Now, it's not very often when you find pillowcases where you can actually wash the outside of the pillow. Usually it's all in one piece. But this is, again, completely adjustable, and so you would just simply remove it. I'm not taking it off all the way, but it's really easy to do. It comes off seamlessly. Wash it on a low cycle in cold water, and then tumble dry on low. Make sure you remove it right away, and it's that easy to clean and maintain because pillows really do pick up a lot of dust and pet hair, and so it's important to make sure that you're keeping your pillow clean. And then you can see how easy it is to just zip it back up. A few important notes that I want to make before closing this video are to, one, address the smell. So some people report that when they open it, it has a little bit of a smell to it. That's completely natural. It's normal. It'll go away. It's just part of the natural materials. We do suggest that you remove the cover and wash it before you start using it, just to make sure that there's no allergens on it and it's completely fresh. This is so soft and so comfortable. You need one of these, at least one of these, in every bed in your home, and it also makes a great gift. So make sure you check it out at the link below. You won't go wrong with the Nestle Cool Pillow, and until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye!